That was good. That was good. And did you go on a big boat?
Yeah, it had lots and lots of people on it.
Oh my gosh. And so what else did you see?
I saw very scary, spooky things when I got through the smoke.
How about in the Haunted Mansion? What did you see there?
I went in a spooky train, but when I saw a picture, it was taking off its head and putting it back on all at the same time.
Oh my God. That was really scary, taking it off and putting it on at the same time. Oh.
Isn't that funny for people to take off their head?
Yeah, then put it back on.
At the same time?
Yeah.
That hurts.
Does it hurt?
If you pull it off.
That's good.
My head doesn't pull off.
No, it doesn't. It's only make-believe when it pulls off.
Sometimes I like to be a bluebird with this hat.
Oh, you do? A bluebird?
Watch how I dress up as it. This is how I dress up as it. Gotta find my pink gloves.
Okay.
Oh, here they are. No, that's a hat. I gotta find my pink gloves. Oh, here they are.
There they are.
There's our pink here.
What are you going to be?
Bluebird.
A bluebird with pink hands?
Pink feathers, you mean?
Pink feathers. Pink feathers.
A bluebird. Voila.
Does a bluebird have a skeleton?
Yeah.
What happens if a skeleton jumps out of you?
Then the bluebird will melt and not fly anymore.
Oh,
Okay.
And tweet.
And it won't tweet.
All right, Alice.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Bye-bye. I'll see you later. Blow me a birdie kiss.